CES is happening this week, and we'll be there getting coverage for all you guys to check out all the new tech coming out for 2019. Stay tuned for new videos and all that stuff. We got up a couple new videos this week, including a video on the Kicker KSS SFS DC08 vehicle-specific subwoofer for Ford F-250 and Ford F-350 trucks. It's a solid solution to the difficult situation of putting bass inside your truck. Check out that video if you have a Ford F-250 or 350. It's perfectly designed to replace the factory subwoofer in that pickup. And we also went over the Kenwood DDX376BT. It's a doubled-in stereo with everything you need. Before we go to Vegas, let's get some top comments in for you. Let's see what we got here. Sean Bruce, my amp is rated for 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms. Does that mean each speaker should be 500 watts RMS or 250 watts RMS? Hey Sean, what's 500 divided by 2? 250. There you go. Tell your mother to get you math lessons. B. Cooper, sadly, this is probably the best review of this stereo. You make me want to watch QVC and slit my wrists. Turn down the production value and just stick to the info you have. Man, if only we went further with the production value, you would have gone through with it. Nick Rod, I still don't know what the you're talking about. My girlfriend says that to me about 20 times a day. GTB2009B, I like this guy better than the stereo. I guess we know what the real draw to this channel is. Brandon Ladd, my mom said, pfft, what a POS. She's just mad that I didn't text her back last night. Joe Glennon, radio only works when I put the car in reverse. Any help? Yeah, you wired it wrong. Try reading the manual, bud. On a TV that we sell, Niraj Parwana, I want TV price. Contact me, my number, and he gave us his number. This is not how this works, bud. We don't call you. You go on the website or call us. We ain't that thirsty for your business. Alright, that's it everybody. We'll be heading to CES on Wednesday. We're gonna get a ton of new videos up on all the new that we see there, so stay tuned for all that. In the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave any comments below. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all your car audio and video gear with us today. And say hello to your mother for me.